Right friends, praise the Lord. Today I'll show you how to play Devarani Divenalu Dharalamuga Veeralapai, which is the song sung in wedding ceremonies frequently. Friends, this song is in Shankarabharanam Ragam and Aditalam. If you see the reeds for Shankarabharanam Ragam, Sa, Ritu, Gatu, Mavan, Pa, Datu, Nitu and Sa. Once more. Sa, Ritu, Gatu, Mavan, Pa, Datu, Nitu, Sa. If you clearly observe, these all white keys constitute Shankarabharanam Ragam. Okay friends, now I will play the song with Swaram. Ga ga ma pa, ga ga ma pa, pa za ni za da da pa ma ga pa ma ga ri, ga ga sa ga pa ma ga ri, ri ga ma pa ma ga ma ri sa ni sa. Okay friends, once more, slowly. Ga ga ma pa, ga ga ma pa, pa sa ni sa da da pa ma ga ri, ga ga sa ga pa ma ga ri ga ma pa ma ga ma ri sa ni sa. Friends, if we learn this swaram is applicable for Pallavi and all Charnams. Devarani